The aim of the simulation is to understand the change of water temperature in relation to its depth when its surface is frozen. The simulation shows a container with water of 0.2 meters high. Ice cubes float on the surface of the water. In the help option, the analytical theory of the simulation is referenced. The parameter Z denotes the depth of the lower end of the thermometer tube. We observe that the temperature of the water on the surface, which has ice, is 0 degrees Celsius. As we immerse the thermometer, the temperature of the water increases until it reaches the value of 4 degrees Celsius.